Degen Dogs was named a finalist at the ETH Online Hackathon. During the hackathon, the project did not have any governance. This submission for the DAO Global Hackathon adds governance to the Degen Dogs NFT contracts. So here's an example of Degen Dogs. You might recognize that some aspects are inspired and based on the Nouns DAO, and in implementing the governance features, I did follow what Nouns did. It makes a lot of sense since Degen Dogs shares a similar characteristic where the supply is growing over time. It's not a set supply at the beginning. So this Degen Dogs here. So if you look at the repo, the governance is on the governance branch, not on the main branch right now. So the contracts I added primarily are these governance contracts, which are slightly modified versions of the ones that Nouns is using, including the logic for the governor behind a proxy. It took me a little bit of figuring out to get that working, but then I did, and it seems to be working well. I did have to make a few changes to the existing contracts. One thing I did add here, I haven't tested a proposal on this yet, but I have some configuration settings that I call streamonomics that affect the streams that go back to dog owners. It's a unique component of the NFT project. So I've kind of made, rather than having them hard-coded, I've made those into variables that governance can change. So I have this set streamonomics function that the main intent here is that this would be something that could be changed by governance if the DAO decides to share different percentages for future auctions, then that can be done. So those are all deployed, and managed to get the Degen DAO set up on the hackathon.withtally.com. Here it is. It's set up here. I have, you can see there is one proposal. It's just a fairly simple proposal to mint a dog. And open that up. I've already voted, so you can see my vote here. And that is, I've already voted, so this will probably give me, I don't know if it will, a few cases, there's been errors behind the scenes and with Tally, so I think there's a few UI things to improve there, but functionally that seems to be working. So this proposal is still active, but that's it. It was a great experience setting up the DAO features for Degen Dogs, which is hopefully going to be launched to mainnet very soon, and the governance aspects were an important piece that was missing until this hackathon. Anyways, that is my presentation. Thanks a lot.